let me just read that one more time, because you hear these words: allegiance, republic, indivisible, justice. When you say the Pledge of Allegiance, you're making a promise. That's what a pledge means. To be loyal, that's what allegiance means to our country, and you are recognizing how lucky you are to be able to choose your own leaders. That's what a republic is. You are also recognizing that we as Americans stick together. That's what indivisible means. You can't divide us. And that because others have sacrificed so much, we are now treated with fairness. Fairness is what justice means. When you stand up tall, place your right hand over your heart and look at me when you say the Pledge of Allegiance. It shows that you really do mean what you're saying. You guys ever seen like kings and queens, like medieval times? You guys ever seen a movie or a book with a king or a queen?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep. Or recently, England got a new king. Do people sit down or stand up when the king and queen comes in? They stand up. You're right. It's this sign of respect. So we stand up when we say the Pledge of Allegiance. I am lucky to have you, and you're lucky to have me. The things that I stand for are why we are free. Be proud when you see my red, white, and blue. When I wave in the air, I'm waving for you. So many sacrifices have had to be made so that I can be here with you on this day. I am worth a lot, so keep doing your part, and always keep me close to your heart. I stand for freedom when I wave in the air, so proud of my stars and stripes. Whenever you see me, please show that you care. I am your flag, so please treat me right. And so there's some other things in this book you guys can look at, but I just wanted to share that with you so we understand why, like your teacher said, this job's important, right? And then we definitely learned some things that we're going to talk about more about, whether how we should treat it and how we should care for it. Okay? So here's what I'm going to do. There's 6 of you guys. We have 2 flags. Mr. Stan came with me today. I may get him to help. We'll show you how to fold it. Okay? And then we'll practice a few times. Probably won't practice enough to make you be 100% proficient. But you guys can practice on your own. And it's okay to make some mistakes. We'll just keep working on it, getting better. And then we'll go outside and raise it up, take it down, and then we'll let you guys get back to class, okay? Ms. Fisher, we'll probably take a picture. Ms. Fisher said this flag is very special because it flew at the Capitol. And there's a certificate right there, okay? But you guys see, you've all seen the flag before. You got the stripes and the stars, okay? When it comes down, we're going to hold it like this, maybe like folding a blanket. And then you're going to fold it in half. Okay? Now, then you're going to go, we always want the stars on the bottom, like that. Okay? And then we're going to fold it in half again. Okay? Now, that's easy. We're just folding it. When a teacher tells you to turn in a paper folded like this, what do you call it? You ever heard of any teacher ever say hot dog style?
Hot dog.
Hamburger. Is this hamburger or hot dog?
Hot dog.
It's hot dog style. So we fold it hot dog style. Now here's the tricky part. We're going to make triangles. Okay, so watch me with this, guys. On this one person's just going to hold the stars tight. Okay? The person on the other end is going to make triangles. So we start by making one triangle like that. Okay? And then we flip it over itself. Now which way do you think I need to fold it to make another triangle?
To the right.
To the right. So we're going to fold it this way to make another triangle. And now you see Mr. Stan is holding it tight so we can keep it nice and neat. Now what should I do?
Do the same thing you did.
Flip it over. Then what?
Flip over.
Triangle. Flip it over. Triangle. Flip it over. Now this is how you see how the big ones, we always want the blue and the stars to be on the outside. So we're going to keep going till we get to the end. Now when we get to the end, one person can let go, right? And the other person can finish. Now, do you guys think that's just going to flop around like that?
No.
Yeah, if we leave it like that, it's going to flap around. Okay? So if we don't have enough for another fold, we're going to tuck it in there like that. You're going to tuck it in nice and neat as best you can. And this little one's tough. And then it's going to be a triangle. Okay? Then when we unfold it, can you help him, sir? One person can hold it, can unfold it. And then there's hooks on the rope, on the flagpole. We'll make it, we'll take it up to the top. You come right here, you hold that side. You hold this side, and let's see. Fold it once, hot dog style.
Nice. What they do right there. What's the important part? They kept the stars on the bottom. Did y'all notice that? That was important. Good memory. Thank you, brother.
Good.
Then turn around. Then do the
Yeah.
Good.
Now the tricky part I was doing, you see how it starts to get loose? So you got to kind of hold it tight as you go. Now you can fold it again. There you go. If there's 3 of you, one person can stand right here to help hold.
That was right. Yeah.
Another
You
triangle.
were doing it.
There you go. You want to help them hold it in the middle?
Good, Jair.
Very good. Yeah, you got it. Good. As we go, the tighter we keep it, the better the creases will be. Okay? A tricky part for you guys too, to unwrap it. Yep. So. Alright, there's all these buckles. Which one do you think we should put it on?
These two. This two?
So whichever one goes to the top. Okay? So we can put it on top on this one and the bottom on this one. And then if you have the state flag, you can put the state flag up there. Okay? So when we're going to put it up, you're going to start taking it up some. Here's the rope guy. Slowly. Okay, now. Whoop. Alright, Domingo. Not too slow, but not too fast. A little bit faster to get up there. Miss Fisher doesn't want anybody to hang on to the rope and go up with it. Y'all want to stay on there. Let him do it. So you're going to grab both of them. A little tight. Let's go around here. All right. And listen, when the teachers let you, they're very good. Y'all can figure it out. All right? Let's walk around the other side. You stand down. Mike can unhook it. Very good, man. All right, now you guys can come over here. There's some more space. All right, y'all can fold it right there. Maybe. There's no hooks.
No, I do it.
That's right.
I do it.
Opposite the.
What do you mean?
Like this?
Domingo, we need to fold it one
No,
more.
you have to make it straight.
Come on, we need to do one more hot dog.
I like it.
So we didn't point this out, guys. When we fold it one more time, what's on the top?
The star.
What's on the bottom? If we didn't fold it enough, there's no stars on top. So we want to fold it hot dog where there's stars on top and bottom. Yep.
Well, I do it.
Let's try this one. Let's try one trick. Look, you stay still. I want you to fold it over like that. Now do your
cross.
Let's see if we can do it.
Oh, wait, hold on. Did you get both? Yes, you did. Sorry.
You come right here. Come right here and hold it.
Yeah, cross.
Very good.
Hold on, you gotta
Very
cross
good,
over
gentlemen.
first.
Make sure
Then,
it's straight.
All right, so if it starts to get loose, you pull it. He's gonna stay still. You can pull it back nice and tight.
Look,
Hold
let
it
me
at
show
the
you
point.
real quick. I think you're letting
Do
me
another turn.
There you go.
do it for this part.
Good job holding it
Pull
right
it
there.
tight. Cross.
Oh, it's because Santiago was turning.
Keep it tight. Cross.
Yep, you're right. Hold it at the point.
Okay, now it's gotta reach.
Take it over. Now what? You see how we have less to tuck because we did those folds at the beginning. Very good. Very good, gentlemen. All right, so if it looks like this, what can we do?
Like that.
Oh, hold on, we gotta straighten it.
We can just get it around, tuck it,
Yeah.
smush it a little bit. That's okay. Is that perfect?
Nah.
No, but it's better than just folding it like a blanket. To be good leaders so that they
Yeah.
learn well.